Welcome to the third assignment on Photoshop for class COMM 231 at CCSU, Department of Communication. So what we're going to learn today is to advance our work on Photoshop, combining things that we learned in previous assignments. So the first thing, we would go and open a photo that you choose that is with big resolution, more than 1000 pixels, and I chose like a close-up on an apple, so you can choose a close-up of whatever you want, and then we're going to work on this to change the color balance. So we go to image and then mode, adjustments. We can see that the first one is the brightness and contrast. So we click on it, and here we have two bars that we can move to one side, and this is very dark or this is very light. So the photo was here and you need to do some kind of a change. So I'm going to make it a little bit darker, and then in the contrast you can see also the differences. So I'm going to play with it and put it here to make it a little bit more. Okay, and then I'm doing OK. So that's the brightness and contrast. Now we're going to add another object to it. So for me, I was thinking, why not using a worm to the apple? So I'm going to go to layers. I'm going to do a new layer as we did before. I'm going to call it item. And I'm gonna minimize here a little bit. Here I have already the worm, and I'm gonna drag it into it, making sure that I'm on the right level. Now this is like the background picture, but I'm just putting it here on top. And what also I made sure was before I erased the background of the item. So you can do that as the way that we did before. You can go back to the first assignment. So I'm just making it smaller because I want it just to pop up like from this side. So I can move it to wherever I want it to be. And once it's located in the right section, I'm double clicking, and then this square disappears. And I have the two items here. The third thing, as we did before, is to go to the text and type. So I have here two items and I'm photoshopping. So one items were from iStock and the other one was from clipart. So I'm making sure that I can use the font that I want, and I'm gonna go on Arial regular. Here I'm making it big enough, and I can even change it and make it like 100. And then I'm starting typing here, photography by iStock, illustration by clipart, and photoshopped by EMT. And then as I move here the cursor, I can move also the title. So I'm gonna put it here. Now that I have everything in line, I'm going and resizing the picture as we did before. I need to see that everything is here, to clip on the layers to see that everything is intact, and then I can go to the image, and I'm going to image size, and again 300, that's the resolution. I'm making sure I'm on pixels, I'm not locked here, and then it's going to be a very small picture, 500 on 500. So it's going to be a square, a very small square. Okay, and I'm doing OK. And if you want to view it bigger, you can go to View and then zoom in, and then you can zoom in more till you see it bigger to make sure that it's the right way you wanted it. And then I do File, Save As, and then here you can save yourself the Photoshop file for yourself, but for the submission to my email, go to JPEG as we did before, call it not the original one as you are going to send me as well to compare, but photoshopped, okay, with your name. So, and then you save it as usual, quality 12, largest file, okay, and you're done. Looking forward to seeing your pictures. See you in class.